The best way to open a jar is the jar key. Here's how to use it. The reason why some jars can be difficult to open is that inside there is negative pressure, and that pulls the lid closer to the jar. With the jar key, we're going to lift the lid ever so slightly so that a little bit of air gets in there, and that will make it much easier for you to open the lid. Begin by positioning the jar key under the lid. And the lid is not perfectly circular. There are some parts that protrude out a little bit. So make sure to place the bottom part of the jar key in one of those spaces. When you have found the right position, grab the jar with one hand and lift the handle of the jar key with the other hand. You will hear a little pop, and you will also see that the top of the lid has popped up a bit. Now just turn the lid gently and remove it. I have used my jar key for almost 15 years. I think it is the best way to open a jar. Learn more about pricing and availability with the link in the description below the video. Click or tap the screen right here to watch my video about the ice cream scoop from OXO. That's another great tool for your kitchen. Thank you for watching 2-Minute Reviews.